Here we go. Morning. Sorry, didn't even realise the bloody mic wasn't on. Morena. Morena, everyone. She is a bloody hot day today. Bloody hot day today, chat. Oh jeez. We had a potential tornado yesterday, so we could see the swirl yesterday, but because we don't live in a flat place, it couldn't form. I'll see if I can find the video. One of the bros saw it too. There. I could see there yesterday. There. So that was forming above Rotorua this morning, but yeah, that was forming above Rotorua, and then we had like the big hailstorms and the winds, but because we don't live, Rotorua is not really in a flat place, it can't really come down. So it didn't really have time to form. It was pretty crazy, first time seeing something like that. I was like, fuck, that's pretty cool. And then I went home. Went home, chilled out, and played some WoW. Bloody cold here in the UK. Yeah, you'll be in winter up in the northern hemisphere. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit shit, chat. I had kapahaka practice yesterday, and that was killer. Comps are in March. But how are you doing? How you been? Hope you had a good weekend. Thank you for those that tuned in last night as well. Sorry about the late start. Had to take my wife and our girl to the GP. And they're gonna walk home. How you's been today, Whānau? What are we up to? What's everyone been up to? How's this morning? Yeah, not too bad, brother. Woke up. Baby was happy, so I can't really complain. Can't really complain, my bro. As long as baby's happy in the mornings, man, I'm good. But how have you been? Yeah, we ended up playing some League of Legends last night, and I got streamer luck on the icon I was after. But other than that, just had some fun on some ARAM. It was just a chill night, that's all. Joe Master, bro, did you see the tornado yesterday? Oh, the eye. The eye of the storm, my bro. Also, chat, we got an opportunity coming up with Nintendo. Happy wife, happy baby. Yeah, so that's always my main thing that I look forward to every morning, is seeing babies smile. So I think that happens before the end of the year, so I'm just waiting right now, and then we'll see how it goes. Not sure what I have to do, but I'll just hold off till then. We'll get into it soon, fams. I just like to eat an apple first, and just to get some food in me. I've never played Dead by Daylight, hey? Never. started getting my itch to play WoW again, so I've been playing ultra hardcore on the hardcore WoW servers, and who knows, I might play TBC as well. I'm just wondering, because all my mates are going Alliance this time, I'm wondering if I go a Night Elf or a Draenei Warrior. Not sure what I want to play. I like both models, but it's just a matter of which one looks cooler in gear. What you making today? We're cleaning this up today. So we're going to be cleaning up along the outsides today. Cleaning up all of that. So mainly around all these bits here. All those bits there. So that's what we're going to be cleaning up today. And then we can start thinking about design. So the mouth was square the other day, but we rounded it off, which gave us more space. What is it? This is a tiki. A tiki, these normally come in pendant forms, like they're much smaller. But the inspiration for the form itself comes from that of a newborn child. Hence the reason why its face is not straight up and down. Sometimes the face will be on an angle as well. And it represents fertility too, and sometimes we name our tiki after our ancestors as well. So yeah, this is what I've been doing. I'll be honest, this piece is just for fun. It's a bit of revision for myself because I haven't really done a tiki since between 2015 to 2018. So that's just me seeing if I still remember how to do it. And I think I'm going to do another one after this, but a much bigger one. Because someone redeemed a million channel points, and I'm gonna do the bro one, but I'm gonna try and do it double-sided. And I thought your work was sensational. I wish you had live streams, enormous success, and happy and very united family. Sorry for any spelling mistakes. No, I don't care about spelling mistakes, brother. I appreciate the love. Trust me, I'm 34 and I still do typos. I just can't be bothered changing it. I just, leave it there. Thank you very much for the kind words, man. What's up, Cookie? How you doing? I'll just finish this Apple chat and then we'll get into it, So on the agenda today, as I mentioned, just cleaning that outer brim. Once we clean that today, we're going to bevel the back of it too. So we'll add a bevel to the back of the carving as well. And we'll scallop the back too, just to get all these machine marks off that you might see. Maybe. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, so we'll get that done. And then we should be good. Alright, let's go, So genuinely, it's just going to be cleaning all of this today. Right around. That's as exciting as it's going to get today. Sure it's secure. How are we doing though, guys? Once again, if you haven't voted on the streamer awards, go through and vote either for myself or someone else. It's totally up to you. I don't know who's gonna win, chat. I'm not really being that guy and saying, yeah, I got it in the bag. Because that's not me. Yeah, that's not how I roll. Yo, Nicatude! One more and we hit 1 year. Thank you very much for the 11 months on Kick, my bro. How are you, my bro? Jeez, I know it'd be like early for you in Adelaide, eh? Do you sell the stuff? I do. Funny enough though, there's been a lot of interest in this tiki. Like a lot of interest, and I'll be honest, it's becoming one of those pieces that I genuinely like. And wondering if I can part with it, kind of thing. But surely we part with it. My voice might crack from time to time, chat, just from all the constant singing over the weekend. Yeah, my voice is pretty shot. I can't sing what we're singing because in the world of kapahaka, when it comes to the competitive side, everyone's an op, including your family, cousins, because you know they're performers for other groups. Tired? Yo, I feel that, brother. Holiday plans with family? We don't really have any, my bro. We can't really afford to do that. So, for Christmas, we're gonna be spending Christmas morning with my mum. And then we'll just go over to my wife's family's house and spend the rest of Christmas with them. Yeah, no trips for us, my bro. Because we're saving for a house. So we're going to be cleaning all these off today. Yo, what's up there, Fabian? Bro, that's what it's all about, Speedy. Yeah. Plus, then, one thing I gotta try and make sure I don't do over the holidays, especially around this time, is eat too much. Because we all know how dangerous the Christmas barbecues are. We all know. We all know. And I'm just gonna try and stick to eating all the steaks and, you know, the patties and all that. The only thing I will sacrifice my body to every Christmas is banoffee. Banoffee is my ting, chat. It always has been, it always will be. There was a point in our Christmas dinner celebrations with the in-laws where I made my own so no one would eat it. My wife knows how much I love it, and one of her brothers ate it, and I got pissed off. Yeah, bro, I got real mad. But hey, now they know. Do not mess with my banoffee. If you don't know what banoffee is, chat, it's pretty much just like biscuit base, caramel with banana on top. You can add cream, but I prefer not to add cream to my banoffee because I feel like it overpowers the the caramel. Even the banana too. I mean, banana is not really it's kind of bland, eh? The old banana. But I feel like in a way it makes it too. Can sometimes be the nicest way to do it. Yeah, brother. Morning, TikTok. Nah, I don't like cream on the banoffee. Never have. I'd rather have a thick layer to the thick layer of banana. Good morning, TikTok. How are we doing? Hope you legends are well. We're pretty much just on cleanup day. We have to clean up right around the edges of this whole carving. And then we bevel the back. We're going to bevel the back of this. And scallop this. Hey, what's up, bot account 9232 over on Grove Street? There we go. So it's just going to be bit by bit today, pretty much on this. Your son is a week old, how good is it, eh? You know, especially in those moments, you know, when you watch them sleep and you're like, trying to focus on baby to see if they're breathing. Bro, I did that so much with my first skill. And then I do these ones to make sure she's all good, just do the and then she'll move it. Oh, okay, she's okay. I did that a lot with our first daughter. Because, you know, it's like so much minimal movement when they sleep as a newborn, eh? I gotta say, the easiest stage of parenthood, the newborn stage. It's way easier than the other stages, chat. And I haven't even been through the rest of them yet. As my one of my wife's girls grow up more and more, day by day. Behold my stuff. I love that part of the movie, bro. It's my favorite. Hold on, check. Let me just make sure our windows are open. For from the Mark Plyer vid, this is what? Wait, what video? Who's that? Who's Mark? Hold up, let me just go door. I have acquired some hydration. Yeah. Sorry, I just had to give me a water. Bro, he's messed with these. These are pretty good, eh? I don't know who makes them though. I like having one of these on the side now and again. But they are very good, man. Any cars for you? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, you're talking about me. Was, wait until 18. Oh, brother. I am scared for those teenage years, my bro, as a parent. Because my girls go, Dad, what are you gonna do when we become teenagers? And I'll probably renew my gun license. And they looked at me, and I was joking, but I'd probably just buy 3 big cactus for their windows. And yeah, I'm still on the hunt for Tibetan Mastiff when they get older. That will sit in their room. And I will train them. I will train the dog to only understand Maori. So when randoms come in and try and tell the dog to stop, it won't understand, eh? It'll be like question mark, okay, may as well bite. That's the plan, that's the plan. Yeah, so if anyone's got Tibetan Mastiffs in the country, I'll trade you a carving for the most aggressive one in the litter in a couple of years' time. Oh, hang on, my daughter's 7. Anyhow, yeah, couple years. Thank you very much, brother Ben. Sorry, let me scroll back a bit, eh? Yo, what up, Joe Dirt? How are you, my brother? Anoni, thank you very much for the palm trees. And Joe Dirte with the clam as well. Niche with the roses. Tēnā koe. And also Taze with the gifts as well. Morning, everybody. Where are we? Morena hoa kai te pēa koe tēnei rā. Tēnā koe e hoa, kai te pai. Aha koa nā mahi a te rā e koa hipa. Ahua mamai nei te tinana. Engari me haere tonu nā mahi. Yeah, my body's in pain, chat. Screaming. But you know, like my uncle always said, because he copied his favourite movie, eh? Pain's just weakness leaving the body. If you know that movie, you probably watched it just as much times as I did when I was young. Because you had no choice. Yeah, I had no choice, I had to watch it. Where are we? Just making sure I keep up with all the platforms that are on right now. Trixby, thank you very much for the rose, brother. I followed, love your work. Thank you very much. What is that flag? Sorry, I don't know what that flag is. I'm not very good with my flags. Trixby, thank you very much for the roses as well. I only know a little bit of flags, eh? Chat, I have been watching Physical Asia, and I'm reading for Team Mongolia. Also Team Australia as well, just because the bro Eddie Joe's in there. But ever since I watched one TikTok on that, I think I've gone into Mongolia TikTok, and I love it, eh? I love it. Oh, England, yeah, I thought it was that, but I didn't want to say just in case I got it wrong. I'm Ngāpuhi and Tūhoe, so basically you're from my tātua twice. Hey. I'm from Tūhoe and Te Arawa. Northern Mātātua, eh? Can you hear the music? I thought I don't want to put it up too loud. I have some similarities, things to say, like those Mongolian warriors. Oh, bro, just the culture in general. The horses as well. Yo, Dan, thank you for... What is that? The TikTok clips with the globe. You know Kevin Locke, I know of him, I don't know him. Thank you, brother Caleb. Yeah, I know of him, but I don't know him on like first name basis. Oh, Yeah, so what we're just chipping away at right now, Chet, is a lot of end grain. Hence the reason why I'm using a skew. I'm gonna sneeze. Ugh, jeepers. Do you dive for your own power shells? If so, where? No, I just get them from the marae. Or my uncle. Hey, Harrison. Is it Harrison Brown? How are you, my brother? Christmas is almost here. We don't even have our Christmas tree yet. Our daughter broke our other one last year because she thought it was funny to tackle it over. And then it snapped in half and it was like the worst day of her life. Because she goes, is Santa Claus not coming anymore? I said, nah, he's not, eh? Broke the tree. So you think he's going to put your fella's presents in the bin? And then you just see the big ass lakes on your eyes, bro. Do you have a heitiki? No, I don't. I'm carving one though. Oh, I'm cleaning it up now. The bros always ask when I do a carving for a trade, because I know a lot of them that carve tiki as well. I'm like, oh, we'll see. So after this too, once it's like finished, gotta get some string, plait it up, and then after that I'll do a smaller tiki as well, but it's gonna be like rough as. Sabuzo, congratulations on your nomination in the Streamer Awards. Thank you, brother. Genuinely, my bro, still surprised. I even got nominated. I don't know who did it, because I know I didn't, and no one from my community did, I think. But yeah, it's I wasn't actually gonna push it at all. And then, you know, I had some haters come in and they made me want to do it even more. So yeah, I started pushing it because of them. Have you started designing it? No, so we're just cleaning this up first before then. Thank you, /1 for the 7 roses. On Hunter Grace as well. And Hunter Grace again. You going to the event? Oh, I haven't been invited, so probably not. Probably if I don't get invited, brother, probably didn't win. But yeah, I don't really care if I win or not. If I win, then, you know, I make sure we acknowledge that. But I'll probably just acknowledge all the people in the category more. What was that? Yo, Shrek, thank you very much for the roses. Have you ever played rugby? Long time ago? Yeah, long time ago, my bro. Much love, banana. Banana. Chicken banana. My daughters, bro. They sing that song all the time. And then they're like, Mum, Dad, have you heard this song? It was the Apple Pen song. I was like, let's show them how it's done, babe. That was me to my wife. And then they were buzzing out there. We knew the whole song. They're like, you think you found something? Think you know? They're like, but how do you know this song? Where'd you get your taimoko done? My cousin done it. Te Wehi. Boy. So I wanted someone from Tūhoi to do it. Someone from home. And I asked him to do it and he said, say less, that's us. Took around 7 hours. The reason why it took so long, just us talking a whole lot of shit. That's the only reason why it took so long. So this is what we've been up to those that are just joining us. There. So we're just cleaning this up. Just doing all the edges, making sure nothing's left untouched. Because we want to make sure those are all clean. Have you been to Alaska? I have not been much places. Good morning from the Philippines. Come on, start. I've been to Australia and America, and that's about it. Yo, Tim, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Good night from Germany. Good night, my friend. Sleep well. Sleep well. And I'll see you next time. Just gotta come back up this way now. Yeah, so that's all I'm trying to do today is just make sure we get all of this clean. Hello from Romania. Kia ora. Kia ora from Paris. Kia ora. I met this family from Paris one time when I used to work in tourism. And they had named their son Haka because they love the haka so much. Does this mean like brother, bro? Jeez, this is not. Hold up, shit. This voice is has not been voicing lately. I've not been home in a while. Oh, have you? You should come to Romania. What is it that you do in Romania, my bro? Ooh, that's around. Is this your usual stream time? Yeah, pretty much. I normally try and stream through the school hours. So while my kids are at school, I'm usually live. Oh dear. Oh, saved. Yeah, so I try and stream within the school hours every day. Like Monday to Friday. And then in the evenings on the weekends I'll just do gaming streams. Gaming streams will become much more rare through the weekends because I have kapahaka practice. Just because I've got other commitments coming over the weekend and they won't be done till about March. Yeah, they won't be done till March and then yeah, see how we go from there. You practice what now? Kapahaka. So with kapahaka, the performing arts part of our culture, there's competitive competitions that happen as well within the regions. And kapahaka season here has started up again for us. And I haven't done it for a while. Yo, Foo Dog! Thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Being our first Sabilana on Twitch today. Thank you very much, my bro. Battlefield Stream Awards. Hey, I appreciate you, my brother. I hope you've been looking after yourself too, my bro. Haven't been able to see everyone as of late. Just been too busy, my bro. But I appreciate you always, brother. Love you, Haunted. Seeing you get nominated, congratulations. Thank you, thank you. Trust me, still a surprise to me as well. Much love, Foo Dog. My G. Yeah, see how we go. I'm not really one of those guys that says, yep, we're gonna win. That's not how I roll. Whoever wins, wins, chat. And then we'll see how we go. But yeah, I'll probably just Carry on carving as usual. Still got work to do, eh? Hey, what up, Berserker? I'm doing good, brother. How are you? Trying hard to find an adult. Oh, true, is that you too, my bro? What area are you in? Nice, my brother, nice. Yeah, just don't have the time for RP right now, my bro. I do play a little bit of Arc Raiders here and there, though. Luigi cosplay. Luigi. I'd rather do Waluigi. Why? Because he's never given the spotlight. Hey, just like how he's never given an invite to Smash. Everyone wants it, but you know, he never gets the invite. You like anime? I watch One Piece, brother. Well, I haven't been watching it as of late. Oh, who was that? I haven't been watching it as of late because I read it. It's way better in the manga right now. And then I come back for the good parts. You come back for the good parts, my bro. What else have I been doing? Yeah, no, I haven't really been watching any other anime. Well, good, kids resting after playing, and my wife's making supper. Ooh, what's for tea, my bro? What's for tea? Sorry, brother, if I know, you know, food's being made, I'm gonna ask what it is. Always. Do you live in New Zealand? I do. I live in Aotearoa. I'm in Pōneke. Jay. Oh, true. Who's all the groups? Who's that one group in there had the mean soloists? They're pretty mean. What are you creating right now? We're cleaning up this tiki here. So this is what we're going to be cleaning up today. And then we can start designing. Yep, Zelda is playing in the background. I normally just play game music in the background these days, especially while we stream on YouTube as well. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube, make sure you go through and follow. I am trying to get 1 subscriber a day. Good night from Sweden. Good night, my brother. Have a good sleep, eh? Which reminds me, I need to hit up one of my bros to see how he is. He lives in Sweden. But yeah, getting back into WoW too. With hints of OnlyFans making a return. OnlyFans this year was probably the most fun I had on WoW. I had a lot of fun on there. Wonder where you are based and if you have a shop. I don't have a shop, brother, but I'm based in Rotorua. Which reminds me, I need to check my Instagram DMs. I try and check all the DMs on all platforms all the time, eh? Aloha from Hawaii, aloha kakahiaka. Yo, 60 and Sasa Drifter, thank you very much for the roses. Okay. You from Hawaii? No, I just love the people there. I'd love to go to Oahu one day and help out on Kaina Makua's farm. Wait, you just got a galaxy. Wait, really? Sorry, let me go back. Thank you very much, Hate Snowflakes, for the galaxy. I'm so sorry I didn't see that, brother. Thank you very much, chat, for letting me know. And also to the bro for the tiny dinosaurs as well. Thank you, chat. Can always appreciate you for telling me. It's like the spice soup cooked with the cow fat and the belly. Oh, really? True. Is this your full-time job? Yeah, I've been doing full-time streaming for about 5 years now. Nearly 5 years. Just clean this side now. There you go. Couple. Yeah, 5 years we've been at it. Most of you are now Christian, but is there Muslims communities? I don't know. I'm not a Christian or a Muslim. I'm a Maori. I don't really think about either. Sorry. Tell you one thing I think about though, what I'm gonna have for dinner. Usually takes me till we get to that point to decide. Thank you, Maori and Bry as well. Just gonna go back just in case I missed some more. Yeah, sorry bro. Yeah, I don't really think about that stuff. I just, you know, my brain's on my carvings and my kids. Thank you, Ali, as well. Yo, what's up, alien? Hold up. Oh, jeez, the chat's moving so fast, bro. Inspirational, what's up, Rarotongan flag? Yeah. Shout out to Rarotonga. Hopefully, I can take my mum there next year for her 60th. Fuck, my mum turns 60 next year, bro. The older she gets, the more I worry as her only child. She's very stubborn too, like she won't ask for help at all. She never does. But I'm always there for her, regardless. But yeah, that's always a worry that I have in the back of my head, eh? As the years go by, as my kids get older, my mum's also getting older as well. And she will become 120. Oh, goodness gracious me. That's old. Yeah, what's up, Yosef? How you doing, brother? Thank you, the Maori, for the gifties, and Michael as well for the roses. 120. Goodness. Turned 60 last week. Yeah, bro. So she's not really big on like birthday celebrations, eh? And me and my wife have been thinking, shall we try and plan, as hard as it is right now, as we save for our house, try and just plan to take my mum to Rarotonga for a couple of days for her 60th. Because she's never really been out of the country either. So I'm just trying to figure out how we can plan that, and maybe I'll just try and take on a couple more offline commissions too. Some big ones. Yo, Maori, I feel like we all deserve a bit of goodness in our lives, eh? I'll never say solely for myself, I always say it for all of us. Especially in this day and age, man. Cost of living. See how negative the world is right now. Hassan's dog. Yeah. But on the plus side, you know, SKT are now 6-time world champions. Peter, thank you very much for the fest pop things, and Naya as well. Kia ora Naya. Island Peace from Hawaii Island. Where's that Mabe leader? Just want to say that I really love what you're doing. I have been living in NZ for 6 months in 2014. My folks and yours have a lot in common. Where are you from there, Andre? Andre Zell? Where are you from? When you were here on 2015, I had just started my 3 years at the carving school. Are you Samoan? No. Have you been to Waiariki, bro? The spa place? Yeah. I love the saunas. And the cold plunge. My wife has been looking a tad stressed lately and I wanted to send her there. But she's hard, eh? She's really hard. Why I say that is because she'll just say, don't waste your money. Like, I mean, she's right, but at the same time, you know, she's doing the hardest job out of the both of us, and that's raising our kid, being on maternity leave without pay. That's why I always try and take her out of the house every day, just to look after her mental health, instead of being stuck in the same thing every day. Reason why she's on maternity leave without pay as well is because if she went back to work, she wouldn't have any leave for her brother's wedding in Jan. And I just told her, just take it off. She was really worried about, you know, us. I just said, just take it off. Try and carve as much as I can. I don't want you to miss your brother's wedding. I mean, I don't want to miss it either because there's going to be yummy food there. That's why I'm going. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm not there to celebrate love. I'm there to celebrate what's on the table. But I have bought a... You know those old school watches? Hang on, let me put the camera up. So, I've got a gift. It's actually, I've been carving a gift for them, but it's 2 pieces. So, I got one of those old school watches, you know, those circle ones with the stopper on the top. Hey, it's Neil. Thank you, Ricky J, and also Joe Dirte for the snail. So I bought my brother-in-law and his partner, his fiance, a gift. It's a watch, and so I'm gonna start it at 12 o'clock a.m. on the day they're gonna get married, and I'm gonna stop it when they say I do and they put their rings on, and I'll put it in the carved box that I'm making for them and present it to them and tell them why I have this watch. So yeah, that's kind of just a little thought from me to them. They're much like me and my wife. They don't want gifts, but yeah, that's gonna be my little gift to them in my speech. What's some advice for up and coming moko artists? I don't know. I'm not a moko artist. Take your time, learn from as much people as you can, practice your craft. Thank you, Neb and Owen. Owena. Yeah, so that's a little idea I had for them, and I'll tell them the reasoning behind the watch. I just hope that, you know, I just hope they're with that. They look at it in the, you know, in the tough times in life, in the good times, and the watch reminds them of that magical moment they shared with each other on their wedding day. So that's the idea behind the watch that I'm getting for them. Oh, that I got for them. So I won't start it till the day. Hey, what up, Primal Kong? I am doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. We're just on the last day of cleaning for this piece, my bro, and then we got to think about designing this week. NLE Chopper. Wait, is there NLE Chopper fan in here? What's up, B-Dog and Viti, all the way from Fiji, Bulavinaka. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. They're getting married at the same venue me and my wife got married at, because they were a bit iffy about choosing it, but me and my wife were like, we don't give a shit. We're married. We're good. Because the venue they had kind of ducked out on them early in the year, which sucks because it was a beach venue. But yeah, they were a bit hesitant to ask us, and we were like, we don't care. Our wedding's finished. We're married. Hey, what up, brother Cam? How you doing? My brother. Also, Chet, I want to just say, Streamer Luck was on my side last night when I was going for an icon that I wanted, and I got it on the first go. I don't have those kind of lucky moments in games sometimes, so yeah, just want to put it out there. Have I shown you my finished X? I don't believe you have, my brother. I'm Finnish. I am from the Netherlands. Our own language and culture. I saw that one. Chicha! Thank you very much for the galaxy. And fits as well with the rose before. Thank you very much, Chicha. That's why I look like Maori folk. You guys are so lovely. Well, Maori people ain't even got a gift from them. Oh, nice, bro. Bro, in your time of living here, did you start walking around in bare feet too? Surely. These Americans were making fun of me. Last week because I went into the grocery store with no shoes on, and they're like, "Can't you afford shoes?" I was like, "You're not from here." Veronox, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you. Yeah, they're like, "Where's your shoes, bro?" I was like, "You're not from here, eh? You're a tourist." And then they stopped and then went, "Yeah." I was like, "Yeah, I can tell." And I went, "Anyway, have a good day." And they were all confused. I was like, why do I have to explain myself? I'm here to get bloody food. I coulda, hit them with my theory about America, how aliens like to go to America more. Why? Because they think bums in America look better. That's why. That's why they keep going there. That's why they keep probing you guys. That's why. Have a galactical pull when it comes to the rectum. Thank you, Chicha. Far out. 400 roses. Oh my days. No hea koe matua. No rotorua me rua tāhuna. Te rohe pōtai o tūhoi me te aroa whānui. Kei rotorua hau e noho ana I tēnei wā. Yeah, it's my theory why the aliens keep going to America. They're like your fellas bums more. Kia ora, bro. You share ancestors with Stan Walker, it seems. Oh, I don't know. Don't really know. Yeah, so that's my theory, why the aliens keep going to America. Could be wrong, but hey, keep going there. Okay. Kia ora TPK Domi. What are you making? We are cleaning a tiki, my friend. Okay. Morning, everybody. What's up, Jager? Returning to Twitch after long. How long has it been, I wonder? How you been, though, bro? What's up, Shy Guy? Hey, my bro, love from Oz. Good morning, my brother, all the way in Australia. Hey, what's up, Simi? Over on Kick. Thank you very much, Tyler Ibre, for the gifties as well. Messi or Ronaldo? LeBron James. Oh, thank you very much, brother Matt, for the galaxy as well, and Maddie with the globes too. No, I'm just being a smartass. I don't watch either one. Somehow my kids watch Ronaldo and Messi, and I'm like, bro, you don't even know what they play. You are the goat. I am the megalodon. Nah, what's up, my brother? How are you? Sometimes my other one, when then people say, you know, Messi or Ronaldo, I say, Eubanks, we are fighters. We leave everything on the line. Rastafari. It's funny when he pulls that up. I'm like, yeah, fella's conversation goes from here to there. Carving wood seems like therapy. In a sense, yeah, it does. How old are your kids? 7, 5, and 7 months. So yes, I is a very busy man of stream, alright? I'm a very busy man. Daily headaches for sure. I'm gonna assume, yeah, since no one's answering. Wait, what was the question? Yeah, baby, 7 months, bro. Very fast, very fast. Bingo, Herb. Thank you very much for the 6 months over on Twitch as well. How are you, my brother? Geez, it'll be late for you, in Germany? Also, I just want to say, my voice might crack a little bit because I've been singing all day yesterday. Couple of katings, chat. What do you think of the win against Wales? Oh, yeah, it was pretty good, eh? But I think, you know, still a lot to work on, but I'm not a rugby analyst or a coach. I don't really do, I don't really play couch coach, eh? Yeah, I don't really play couch coach like everyone else. But yeah, we'll see what next year holds for the All Blacks. I'm saying that too. Rugby League World Cup next year. Pretty keen to watch that. What are you eating? It's called bumper brownie. I don't know who makes them. Been a hard decade as a Wallabies fan, bro. That Chika dude, bro. Is that his name? He was muddy as a coach. Wasn't didn't Mel Meninga say he was keen to coach the Wallabies? Like the rugby team? I still don't know where this Mr. Beast video is. Oh, he's got Joe Schmidt. True. He's Argentina's now. True. Not sure about Mel, but I don't think he's settled about for rugby. Fair enough. Either that or this the wrong guy from Vol. V-Dog, what was your question? Sorry, my brother. I'll try and keep an eye on the chat. Once again, I did not voice Korg. We just all sound like Cronin's here. Oh hey, if you want to support Brooks, do so by gifting a lion, or a galaxy, or a meat pie. Yeah, it's just easy to, I guess, engage, but Taika Waititi was the voice. He's basically Maori as well. Thank you, Matt, for the rose, my oh, what is it? Oh, Maddie. Yeah, Maddie. Steak and cheese, man. Yeah, so we've got to do a YouTube video. I've got to figure out time to do it since I can't do it on weekends. We're going to be going around Rotorua and we're going to buy steak and cheese pies from 3 different shops and we're going to rate them. I'm going to be giving my footage from Queenstown to my brother to edit too. He gets into editing videos. He's gonna do that for me. St. Andrews, where's that one? I know Dior's good, Guido's as well. For State of Origin. Yeah, I know about him being Origin. Up the mighty Maroons, by the way. I only liked the Maroons because JT was in there. But now he's well and truly finished. One of my favorite players in NRL as a whole was probably To'o. Yeah, I like To'o. They are my favourite players, always been JT for like years. Because my grandfather was a big Cowboys fan. And I remember watching them win in 2015, was it? That was a clincher of a game, eh? That final. Autumn Road, true. That's your favourite? True, my bro. Second place. Okay. I think one other thing I'll do too as a final like zhuzh up is use the orbital. You watch Union? Yeah. Teams me and my grandfather used to watch a lot of when Rugby World Cup was around was, yeah, All Blacks obviously, Scotland was another, Ireland was another one. I used to watch so many teams, eh? It's like memories with the old boy when he was alive. Hold up, just checking these. Where's my pencil? Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. What you making? Oh, we're just finishing off a tiki today, my brother. I might have to make some koi for the haka group too. Don't know if I'll charge though, they're just koi. Oh yeah. Okay. Did you by any chance get a look at any of the rugs? Sorry, brother, I've not had my phone all weekend. It's been a bloody crack of a weekend in terms of busyness, my bro. I tell you that much. Sorry, brother, but I will check them out soon, my bro. Greetings from the cows. What? The cows? Hey man, nice work. Don't care about mean ways or what you have to do. Focus on what you have to do. Oh, well, you're all good. Thank you very much. Chaos? Is that how I would say it? And Galanta as well. Well, I'm just making sure I try and keep up with everything, eh? There's so much going on. What's up, Charlie? Oh, I did get your name right. Kapai. Good set of tools to get the starting joinery as a hobby. Oh, true. In terms of joinery, brother, I don't know. Like I do, yeah. Fuck. Well, any joinery people in the chats? Like with what I do, it's like it's been part of my culture for a long time, eh? It was kind of a pivotal way for our people to share our stories too. Because we didn't have it written. We didn't have a written language, brother. Pretty much no. And it's all generational knowledge as well. So it's been passed down through like countless generations too. Theo and guy with flags in his name. Thank you very much for the roses and the palm trees. Here we go. Kung Fertino, what's up, my brother? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Not Muse, thank you for the roses. How you been, Fert? My goat. Hope you're looking after yourself, my brother. Rodino, thank you very much for that too. Okay. Let's clean this up. One of my bros was asking me about content creation. I was like, bro, just do whatever you want. That's all it comes down to. You ready for the giving of thanks? We don't give any thanks of that kind in our country. We just wait till Christmas. Yeah, we don't do that over here. Sorry, brother. We just go to the lake, my bro, and have a good day. Try not to get sunburned in the same process. And it takes a couple minutes here. Because of that ozone hole. What chisel set do you recommend? One that doesn't cost an arm and a leg if you're starting out. Get you something that's affordable. Keep in mind chisels are very expensive, eh? Very expensive. Okay. The grain on this section where I am right now. So, majority of this timber, in terms of the growth, it's going this way. In this little section here, about that big, it's going the other way. And it just so happens to be on a hard spot that it's curved as well, so I've got to take it off like as small as possible to get the cleanest looking surface. Can be a bit of a headache at times, but you know, it's kind of the headaches I'm used to right now, or in life when it comes to this, comes to Whakairo. So yeah, nothing. No shavings too big, so like, I don't know if you can see that. That's as small of a chip as I'm taking off right now. Like on the blade there. Just to make sure we keep a clean surface. That's basically why. Yo, Jimmy, thank you for the roses, my bro. Looking good as always. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, sorry. And then I really need to remember to draw our design on. So I'm wondering, we go around the mouth, around here, back down. Yeah, so it's all kind of a bit of a thinking process as to what I want to do right now. But we'll get there. It's not hard. We'll get there. Hey, Tatol, how you doing? Everyone kick. Are you calling sir? That's why I said ma'am. Straight after. Also, me and my daughter have finished the Avatar game. My big girl's really into the Avatar. And she found out there's a game that you could play on PlayStation, and I ended up getting it for her. And she loved it, eh? It took us like probably half the year, because or whenever it dropped really, because I'd only allow like an hour a night. Like instead of YouTube, she wanted to watch, just play Avatar. I'm Turkish. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I stay down here in the southern hemisphere. A moment. Thank you, Devin Tanner, for the tiny dinosaur. Ryan with the rose too. Just making sure I keep up. Lucas Christensen with the rose and Devin with the fluffy penguin. 12 points to rank up. What's that for? Is this like one of those TikTok live event thingies again? Yeah, you gotta be doing a little something with Nintendo, chat. I didn't have to sign an NDA, they just said, you're all good. So that's pretty cool. So what I'm thinking for the face, so this is like in terms of the design, I'm gonna try and be a little bit more adventurous here. I actually want to practice the design that I want to do. The world is a better place with you in it, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you too, brother. You know what else is good in the world? Post shit clarity. After you've been slow cooking for the whole day, and then you get home and just let it go, and you're like, wow, that was good. It's like you let all the weight of the day go. Haven't seen you in a while. What's up? As a T10? New Zealand pies, Aussie pies. Obviously I'm going to say my own. That's a bit silly. Do I have a block I can practice on? I work 12-hour shifts, I understand. Damn, you've been slow cooking, brother. It's like that one TikToker and it goes, POV, you're a dad, and the mum, when you get home, and the mum's like, here's the baby, and it shows the guy in slow-mo, and it goes, I need to take a shit. Hey, how you been, Michael? Jock, thank you very much for the roses too. I'm just going to practice the design real quick, chat. And see, just want to see what it looks like. I'm going to be mixing two designs together. Yeah. Kind of just brainstorming right now. But I just want to see what it would look like, okay? Okay. Let me just cook for a bit and see what it looks like. So our grain is going this way. So I'm going to be doing taratara akai, is what I'm doing right now. But there's something I want to try to it. Something I've been thinking about for the last couple of days. That's a lie, last couple of weeks. Since September. I hear my loud ass fucking daughter. She's such a fucking big mouth, man. I can hear a big mouth. You're a dum dum. Come here, dum dum. Come on, come on. Nee. I roto ki tērā I te waho o tō teina. Kia ora. Go around, run around. Get out of the camera, get out. Get out. No, get out. Don't try and pull the fingers at them. Hey, baby. Get on, Jack. What? Where? Sorry, chat. My daughter's a bit cheeky. Awful stream. Wait, you've been here before. Let's check your chat history. Following since May 27th, 2024. Why do I follow you? Awful stream. I mean, look at yourself in the mirror. You did it. It's on you there, onion boy. I didn't do it. Trust me, brother, if you're gonna try and be a smart ass, bro, watch me give it back to you tenfold. Be ready, boy. Ton Thiston, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. You know exactly why you followed. It was only last year. I voted for you, be nice. You were the one coming in on energy. Feel free to unvote, my bro. Be nice, but you come into the stream saying awful stream. What in the back to front is that? I can't unvote. See, that's where you're lying. You can clear it and vote for someone else. Feel free to, bro. If you're gonna be like that, I don't mind not being voted by you. Not that try and come in here and start shit. That's funny. Half the damn stream is full, bro. That's not even half the stream. Holy, who hurt you, bro? What's the matter? Let's put the camera up, eh? What's the matter, bro? You got your bloomus in a twist there, bro. What happened? What's going on? Jeepers. Sorry, chat, just trying to see what's going on with old mate on, what is this guy on? Mace Jeans, I am on multi-streaming. What about you? Trying to understand where this energy is coming from, you know? Because trust me, I can be very cheeky if I wanted to. Oh, someone is talking very loud, but I can't see them. Jack, how are you, brother? What's his usual? It doesn't matter. He's on Twitch. Hey, Benny. Hey, what's up, my brother? How you been, bro? Hope you and the kids and the fams are good, brother. How could hate someone such a joy? Oh, trust me, bro. There's a lot of people that hate me. I don't know why, but you know, at the end of the day, I'm still gonna eat, sleep, and shit the same. So genuinely, yeah, it's like a fart in the wind, bro. Gone. Thank you very much, Doogie, for the rose as well. Yeah, I don't know what that guy's problem is. Hopefully he unfollowed. Where is he? I don't know. He must be gone. Oh well, I was keen to have a genuine conversation and see what's going on. Anyway, I've got work to do. I've got a design I'm thinking of that I need to be... Sounds like I just missed drama. Oh, it wasn't even drama, bro, to be honest. It was more of a, what are you on about? Hugo, thank you very much for the rose, brother. Bro rocks in saying awful stream, but he's been following since last year. And his first comment in the stream was, how do I follow you? And clearly, yeah. You get those comments all the time on Twitch, hey, why the fuck do I follow you? I was like, ask yourself that, you done it. That's why it's funny. Okay, I was doing this. How you working in red bands? Oh, it's not that hot, brother. She'll be right. Yeah, it's just random. You get those random comments that come through all the time. He's not the first person that's used that as the opener. Probably just come into Clip Farm too, maybe. Clip Farm, get an out of context clip and then post maybe. I don't know. Don't really care. I'm very unbothered by that stuff. Okay, so we were doing Tara Tara Ako, but there's something I want to try with it too. So I'm just practicing a design chat, trying to mix. Who taught you how to carve, brother? DJ, my uncle, my bro. My uncle taught me back in Kura Kaupapa. So I started doing this around the age of 12 years old. Every Friday we'd have a class, like classes outside of the normal school curriculum, and Whakairo was one of them. And that's kind of how the journey started, pretty much through him. And then I carried on refining what my uncle had taught me after I left home at 16. And I moved here just so I could go to a better high school, pretty much. Just to go to a better high school, and because I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere at the current school I was at. Johnny, thank you for the roses. And then eventually I applied for the carving school here. One of the most renowned carving schools is located here. Sorry, I hit the mic. did my 3 years, graduated as well. And then pretty much from there, brother, was carving, doing commissions here and there. Went back to one of my old jobs. As well. And then I got the opportunity to carve as the main resident carver of Tamaki Maori Village, which was a tourism company here. They've changed their name to Te Pātū now. And then from there, brother, COVID hit us all. So lockdowns turned up. Well, like a couple months before, I was doing little carving streams here and there, but turning it off pretty fast as well. And then eventually, yeah, everything the world knows pretty much now. That clip, and yeah, been at it for about 5 years straight, my bro. Did I miss Benny's? Oh, there he is. I'm good, man. Boys are about to turn 1. Oh, true. That's so fast for the kids, my bro. Don't even bother. Oh, trust me, bro. I didn't really care. It was cool seeing Esmond Gold giving you a lot of praise. Yeah, it's never expected with him, eh? Never expected. Oh, with anyone, with any big streamer, I'll say it. That's why, you know, I don't have any bad word to say about Esmond. Because he's only said nice things about me. So I'll never say bad things about him. Like, I know people have their opinions on Esmond, but I don't. I just know that is, you know, that's Esmond. That's the bro. And genuinely grateful for, you know, the kind words he said about me. Because praise from people of that size within the streaming world are never expected by me as well. Just doing my own thing, staying in my own lane, and playing games along the way. Sure, brother Ed, how are you? Been watching him for 13 years. Far out, my bro. One thing I always loved about his channel, I know he doesn't play WoW anymore, is his transmog comps. I used to love watching those. I used to bite some of the styles that I saw there and add to my own. Sin Thomas, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. I almost said 13 years. And you went to the best high school, 3 Feathers Eye. Boys high till I die, my brother. RBHS tatted across my chest. Good old Rokura. I always see some of the bros from my years, same year as me. They're like, "Far, what are you doing now?" I said, "Oh, still carving." They're like, "Far, still carving." Oh man. Even my bro, one of my bros from my carving intake, he works there. He goes, "Oh, I'm teaching Harvard level English there." So English? And we just cracked up laughing. Yeah, you're just teaching English, yeah. You hear the rumours about TBC hardcore? I did, my bro. That's why I'm playing hardcore again. Like I did mention, okay, let's have a yarn. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about till we die, my brother, till we die. What house group were you in, my bro? Or were you in those Maori ones? I was in Drake. So, yeah, TBC hardcore. I kind of want to play, so for example, if we do get invited back to OnlyFans, I want to run a hardcore challenge this time around, because I think we're going to be Alliance, right? Or they're going to use both factions. So I had the idea to do this challenge back when with OnlyFans about, what, like 6 months ago, when it was on. And it was the Legend of the Shield, bro. And it's basically, it's going to be slow as, it's basically playing the game with only a shield. I got inspired by Downs, who was only walks and OnlyFans, and they pretty much just RP walked all the way through their playthrough, right to level 60 pretty much. And I got inspired by that. I was like, I want to do something like that too, like just a challenge for myself. Even watching Rav as well, watching Rav, his content through OnlyFans was amazing too. And yeah, then I came up with the Legend of the Shield Bro challenge. I told everyone within the troll Discord, and then there was one guy that shot me down and then kind of killed my buzz for it, so I didn't really do it. Bro, he lost the plot. Only a shield. I seen someone that done it with only his bare hands. I was like, yes, it shouldn't be that hard. And that's on Warrior too, not Pally or Shaman. Do a roly-poly. Go run to the mailbox. Run to the dairy. Get a milk. Run back. And then when you get back, I should probably be finished stream. How are you, Rights? Oh, you lost the plot. Only a shield, that's crazy. Yeah, it's just something fun to do, my bro. 30 boiled eggs. I think I get bored of the eggs around 10, to be honest. Yeah, I'd get bored of eating the eggs around 10. 50 boiled eggs. That feels like a waste of eggs in this current economy too. Do you know how much eggs cost right now? Bro, they are so expensive. They're almost expensive as a block of butter. For real, waste the eggs. Yeah, bro, I cannot waste 50 eggs just for that, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I mean, if I had my own chickens and a chicken coop, maybe. But there's this one guy that followed me from Aussies that looks like a competitive eater. Fuck, he can eat, bro. And he's smaller than me. I was like, bro. Hey brother, all good. Life's going through, but much love from the water of the UK. Thomas, you're good though, brother. Just remember, hey, if you ever want to talk in any of the platforms you are watching on, feel free to. With this, with what we have on all the platforms we stream on, I hope that it's a place where we can help one another too. With all those silent struggles we have in life. Not alone, just know that. Is it Lockie? Jay bro, what's up, Blue Bandit? Yeah, I'm just trying a little something right now in terms of the design. Heaps of big eaters, the small ear like Matt Stoney. I remember the first Matt Stoney video I watched was his one when he did Michael Phelps's diet or his eating plan in one sitting. Oh, bro. Out the gate, but the food looked good. Besides the Rockstar drinks, but yeah, the food itself that he ate, bro, looks so nice, eh? G'day from the GC, kia ora, bro. See our profiles heaps. Oh, trying to, my bro. Fuck, trying to get skinnier, brother. My goal is to lose 20 kgs before the end of the year, so we're at 137.2 right now from 145. You playing much WoW? I have been lately with the hardcore hype pretty much. I hope TBC hardcore is on the way. After watching Soda's video, hopefully, hopefully, man. We'll see what happens. What's up, Dome? How are you, brother? Good luck on your goals, bro. Thank you, man. It's been fun. I'll be honest. The calorie deficit's been amazing. Moving has been amazing. You know, just training, getting the body moving in general is what I mean. Yeah, so I went for a walk this morning. I'm trying to be that guy and get 10k steps in before I start my day. So that's my goal right now in the mornings. So I haven't really been going to the gym for that. I'd rather just go around town or do just a big loop somewhere. And another thing that I'm trying to do is also trying to do 100 is it what are they called? Clean and jerks? What those ones? Just 1, 2 from the ground. Try and do 100 of those for time. So that's a little challenge I've done for myself too. I like doing those because it makes me sweat heaps, eh? Okay, but the hard part about training, bro, is the eating. But once you know you get in the mindset, once you get into that groove of everything, it's so easy, bro. Thank you, Evangard. From Denmark. Chew, my brother. Sweaty, clean and jerks, yeah. I'm that guy, bro. As long as I look uglier leaving the gym than I did when I walked in it, bro, I feel like I've done enough. Thank you, Chunk, for the cap, my bro. Let me just turn this around. I'm currently experimenting with the design right now. So there's 2 forms that I'm going to try. So I'm doing taratara akai, but at the same time, trying to add a bit of a twist to it too. But yeah, other than that, been enjoying kapaka practice again. Pies are your weakness? What's my weakness? My kryptonite food. Fruit, bro. Fruit is mine. I swear I must have been someone that loved a lot of fruit back in his past life. So what design I'm doing, chat, is Niho Kuri within the Taratara Akai. Whether it works or not, I don't know. Thank you very much, Chunk, for the ice cubes. Yeah, bro, I love my fruit, eh? Also, anyone live in Florida here? I have a genuine question for you guys. Any Floridians here? I have a genuine question for people that live in Florida. As long as you feel good about yourself. Yeah, bro, I feel really good, bro. One thing I just gotta keep track of is going to bed. Going to bed early. I've been so stuck in on editing and all that stuff too. I need to get some clips out, man. So the only question I have for people from Florida, I saw a TikTok of a guy, looked like he's in a swamp, and he's whacking trees to get iguanas. What the hell could you possibly need an iguana for? Are you gonna eat them? Yours is doom scrolling. This is what you do. You gotta leave your phone in a place where you can't reach it, but make sure your wake up alarm is loud enough so it'll make you get up. Doom scrolling. Also, John Cena retiring soon, eh? Pest control. Oh, I think okay. I thought they were gonna eat them or something. Hey, aloha. How you doing, brother? Hello from Greece. Hello, sir. I'm just experimenting with a design right now to those that are just tuning in. Yeah, the guy that was getting all these iguanas, he shoved it down his pants, and I mean down the back. I was like, poor fucking thing going out that way. Like a possum in NZ. Oh, true. Fuck, iguanas are like that too. Interesting. Hold on, chat. Just do this, and then we will look at it and see what it looks like. And then there's another example that I want to try as well, because this could possibly be the design that I want to do. A mixing of two of my favorites. Sorry, I'm not ignoring yous, I'm just doing this and then I'll be back with yous, okay? I mean, it could work. It might work. Maybe? Stoats, ferrets and wallabies too. Yeah. There's a, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this while being on TikTok, there's a big wallaby CULL coming up. Because, yeah, they're quite a problem here in Rotorua. I remember when I moved here, and we had a senior camp, so we had to take all the juniors camping. Then one morning, because I woke up at 6 just to make sure they were all there, you know, all the juniors, do a head count. Then I heard a ch. It's like, what the fuck is that? And then I turned around and yeah, it was a wallaby. Like, hey, since when have these been here? And then yeah, I just got told, oh, they've been here for a while. But yeah, the population of it is getting close to my hometown, and it's raising like big concerns for everyone back home, because where I'm from, it's all natural forest, untouched. Like there's hardcore pest control up there for possums as well, and want to make sure, you know, another one doesn't make it up and ruin the pristineness of the bush up there. So yeah, they've organised a bit of a CULL. Yeah, big M4. I was the same, bro. I was like, hey! What carving are you most proud of, bro? All of them, eh? Yeah, the kaimais will be full of them. Yeah, bro. Apparently, toads have such a big impact on the ecosystem in Oz for so long that the ecosystem started to adapt and make a place for them. Pretty whack. Studying this, supposedly they've been added to the dream time in Aboriginal legend. True. Those big suckers, eh? So this is the other variant I was thinking of here. So basically, instead of having the ridge in between here, so let me just cut it out real quick. So instead of having the ridge for the taras in here, for the taratara akai, it will be more flat. And just being a whole lot more flatter. Like normally with taratara akai, I'll show you a version, or the version we do of it. Let me just get the carving real quick. So this is what taratara akai actually looks like, okay? As you've seen this carving before. So that's what it actually looks like. All that. But what I'm experimenting with is cutting all that ridge out. All that ridge there. Keeping all of it flat. So the ridge in the middle, these, would be highlighted more. The other version that I'm doing is, you know, using this ridge in the middle there to do pakatis in. So those ones there. So that's what we're experimenting with right now. And just seeing, you know, what it looks like. So we're going to check all of these. So it's just a matter of which one do I like. I won't lie, in terms of like cleanness, I think I like this flat one more. Clean, straightforward, simple. Yeah, I think I like the flat one more. Oh, that's a bit busy, eh? That's too busy. This one's nice and straightforward. Like the silhouette of a taratara hakai. So maybe that's the one I might do. Yeah, I think I like that one more. I'll give these a closer look. These are two options that I'm thinking of. I might do the flat one. Because the flat one, you know, within a spiral would look much cleaner and more presentable. Wouldn't look so busy, eh? Maybe I'll do that. Where you from, bro? I'm from Tūhoe and Te Arawa, Aotearoa, New Zealand if you're out of the country. Pretty much. Yeah, I think I'll do that one. Now, the next thing I'm thinking of, you know, with this one here, so you know how this tiki has two sides, is a matter of how I want to do said design. So for this side, you know, for this side, we could do the natural, you know, flows that we normally do, the twists and the turns, the core whai here. For this one, I'm thinking we go like square, something like that. Same in here too. Or maybe not the hand, we won't design the hand, so it stands out more. Yeah, do something in there. Who's your favorite? What's your favorite class in Baldur's Gate? I like Paladin and Barbarian, pretty much. Melee brain, brother. Melee brain. I'm looking for my pencil that I lost again. Favorite character in BG3 is Karlak. It's the only reason why I played it. Mama K. All these outlines going on. Which reminds me, I need to do something for my managers today. Forgot about that. Hope you're having a good day today, man. You too, pal. Hey, what up, Brock Grimes? How you doing, brother? Alright, let's get these bills on the back going. I don't know if I want to build the head though. Now we'll do the body. The stress age of 20. I think the oldest carvings I did was for Mātātua in Whakatane. It wasn't, we didn't necessarily carve the originals, we replicated them. Yeah, so it was a bit of a replication project, which is pretty cool. Alright, so we will check that there. Alright. One here. Alright, let's get these done, eh? Cheers, Steady! My bro. How you doing, brother? How you doing? Beveling the back of this tiki, my bro. What country is this? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my brother. I just call it Aotearoa, really. I saw your stream award. Yeah, brother, we got nominated. Whether or not we win, I don't know. Not really fussed if we don't, eh? I don't even know when that's drawn, eh? Anyone know when it actually happens? I don't actually keep up to date with things, eh? I just, yeah. I got work to do. Do you ever try and say local things? Do you ever try and say local things in a Californian accent? Local things. What is a Californian accent? Like just a typical American accent? Oh shit. Okay. Goodness. Okay. Wanna be difficult with me, eh? Hey, Brock's finally catch one of your streams. What's up, Fabiz? How are you doing, sir? How are you doing? Love your art, thank you. So we're just beveling the back of this carving right now. And then we'll clean up in here. Oh my days! Myth Crane Kyron! Myth Kyron with the 50 bomb! Oh! Thank you very much, Myth Kyron, for the 50 bomb, and thank you to the bro already taking initiative and saying thank you for the gifted as well. Holy hicka! Thank you very much, Myth. I'm waiting for them to comment. Once again, Fano, if you did get a gifted sub, please, please, please make sure you say thank you, please, for me. Or, better yet, glaze them. Harder than a Krispy Kreme donut, as I always say. Thank you very much, Myth Kyron. I don't know what I did for that. But thank you, man. Where are you? I'm waiting for you to chat. There you go. Just trying to share the love, save the glaze. Yeah, it's just something I always say. Just because I like donuts, really. That's pretty much the only reason why I say it, eh? That's the origins of the glaze. Line there, just because I like donuts. But I can't eat them because I'm in a calorie deficit right now. I mean, I could probably have them, but I'd rather not because my body reacts to carbs like fire on oil. Goes out of control. Kia ora from the UK. Kia ora, Coconut Cranium. How are you, my friend? Thank you very much, Father. That's very kind of you to do, brother. Thank you, bro. Joe Edu, how are you today, my bro? Did you end up beating the Ender Dragon last night? Oh, Minecraft? Like, what is that challenge? What is that Minecraft challenge? Like, genuinely, what do you have to do? Thank you, Myth. You'll probably hear me say it, see me say thank you more than once. Oh, you from here? Hey! Well, are you using the Iwi grant money on me? Thank you very much, Myth. Oh, you got friends from me. True, bro. Try and get this beveling over and done with, eh? It's pretty much just the last bit of the nitty gritty right now. Before I think I've chosen what kind of design I want to do. It's a bit of a mix-up of a current one. Bro, I want to take the fams to Road to Vegas. Have they cleaned up the town since COVID days? Nah. But it's only getting worse. Like, homelessness has grown in the city. What else has happened? Yeah, like, you see a lot of people on the old light bulb barbecues here and there. Like, in terms of the tourism's booming as usual. But in terms of the town itself, just be mindful. Sounds like Vegas here. That's crazy. Although, when I was in Las Vegas, yeah, I did see someone there was, you know, my man was walking the spirit plane after he had a young hit. I swear that guy thought he was a shaman, eh? Because he had a swig of something, bro, and then it was windy and he was just dancing around and walking. He unbuttoned his shirt and he was having a bit of a Messiah moment. And I just looked at him, I went, yeah, the city that never sleeps, because that guy's not going to sleep anytime soon. He walks amongst us. Yeah, bro. And people were stopping me in Vegas too because I was walking in the sun. Like, are you alright to me? Yeah, why wouldn't I be? You're walking in the sun. Ah, it's alright. But I didn't know about the Tesla tunnel, eh? I didn't know at all. 22 Tom, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Yeah, bro, if there was a song I had to choose for that guy that was dancing around in Vegas, it'd probably be that, well, I think it's gonna be a long, long time. If I recorded him with that song playing, bro, it would have went so well. But obviously I'm not gonna do that while bro's tweaking on whatever it was. Yeah, it was different being there. Ooh, shiza. I met this tweaker. I met more tweakers in a week in Hawke's Bay than my whole life in Auckland. Oh my gosh. So Levi. Hello from Canada. Hello, sir. Yeah, it was one morning, so baby was about 2.5 weeks old. Because I took the morning shift with the baby and the kids too, just getting them ready. And I woke up, opened all the curtains, and there was this guy. I was parked out on our front lawn, like on the porch area, or like the sidewalk. And he was just sitting there, but he couldn't see me through like our blinds. And I see him, using his lighter, and he must be having a smoke. But his windows were all steamy, and then I look closer, and then I see what he's holding in his other hand, and I got pissed off, man. Like, knew the guy, but I don't want that stuff anywhere near my kids. Like, even if they don't know it's there. The problem is, I knew it was there, and I couldn't just sit around, and I just knocked on his window and said, bro, what are you doing? And dude's jaw was going from right to left, and I was like, fuck off. Get out of here. And smoke that shit somewhere else. And he drove away. But yeah, man, it's crazy how common it's becoming. And that's another reason why, obviously, I want to move too. He would have shit his pants. I don't know, but I told him don't fucking wind their window down. I do not want to smell that shit whatsoever. Yeah, it's just crazy how it's gotten here. Okay. Ooh. This needs some LUV. Yeah, nah, I'm not scalloping the back till we sharpen this up. God damn. Yeah, no, bro, I walked out in like a lava and a singlet, and like when I wake up, I look like Afa and CK with my hair out. In the summer, chat, trust me, all you need is a lava. But yeah, it's crazy to me how common it's becoming and how fast it's becoming so common too. Unless you're Brian Shaw, bro. Brian Shaw, bro. In absolute unity. Holy, bro. I genuinely wish he won one more title before he retired. But you know, age wasn't on his side, man. Do you have videos of sharpening your tools? Old ones, but I don't know where they are. We need to do a sharpening stream, I think. I think we'll try and schedule one for next week, maybe? Next week, Wednesday. Can you carve Maui's fishhook? I have. Oh, I don't not like the replica from the movie, but I have carved the hook and I'm ready to send it to America. I keep forgetting to go to the post office to ask about the tariffs and if Trump's changed his mind on imports yet. So I've got 2 carvings that need to be sent to America, but still got to wait for Uncle Donnie to change his mind. Myth, thank you very much once again for that too. Thank you, sir. Tiki, imagine if it was me. Fella changes his mind with Terrace Weekly. I have no idea, man. Hopefully he changes it for the good of me being able to send my stuff. Kia ora manu, bear. Yeah, I need to find my sharpening stone. Sharpening stone and some sandpaper. Yeah, we'll do a sharpening stream next week. Also tonight, chat, if we do get the opportunity, we will be reading The Hobbit again. We're almost done. Almost done. And then we can start reading Lord of the Rings. It is almost time for my Christmas tradition too. What is my Christmas tradition? I watch Gladiator every year. The only Gladiator, number 1. I actually haven't seen the new one, eh? Was anyone seen the new one? I actually have never seen it. I heard it's pretty mud though, so I'm not surprised. Ain't no one beating Russell Crowe. Maximo. Die Hard, yeah. Die Hard shows up on TV every year, eh? Home Alone, Lost in New York is my Christmas tradition movie. True. Yeah, we always watch I always watch Gladiator every year. About to go to sleep, Kakpa? Have a good sleep, my brother. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah, so every year, it's just something I noticed later in life. Hey, I was like, I actually watch Gladiator every Christmas. Yeah, I still haven't seen this newer one. I haven't seen this newer one at all. So apparently the newer one is the young buck from the first movie. He's the main man now. Is it him? No, I haven't seen the second Gladiator. Joe, what up, Black Thunder? How are you, brother? Yeah, so is the young buck from the first movie the main character in the second one? I don't know the plot, and I think one thing I saw in the trailer that I thought was redonkulous was there was water in the arena. Eh? I don't know if that's true or not. Thank you, Aaron. Cheers, brother. Yeah, it's a nomination I didn't think would ever happen. Whether we win or not, I don't know. I'm not gonna blow ass and say we won. I won't spoil it. Oh, I don't care. I don't really care if it gets spoiled. My Christmas present I've asked from my wife this year is that she will watch 1 hour of The Burnt Peanut with me. That's all I want this year. I find myself every morning going goop goop goop. Got some more goop. Fucking hell. Want a ride? They displayed was ridiculous though. Oh, so it is a nautical battle in the arena. I struggle to understand how the water stayed in there, my bro. But I guess, you know, I gotta watch it and see what the go is. Joe Steve, yo Chino, thank you very much for the long neck dinosaur. Thank you very much, brother. Yo, what's up, Slugger? Sub Linux. Ah, cheers, brother Chino. Thank you for the long neck dinosaur, my bro. What's it called? Brontosaurus, I think. I could be wrong. I'm just trying to figure out if I've got another 5 we can use. And recreate historic. So there was an actual thing in the Colosseum. They'd flood the arena. Wow. Okay. The more you know. Yeah, I never knew that. I thought it was just straight on the ground, eh? I can hear my daughter yapping. They would build some close to the water and have it filled with salt water. Oh, yeah, yeah. So they'd have a Colosseum like next to the sea or something like that, eh? That makes sense. That's smart, damn. So you could say that the Romans were the original streamers, IRL streamers back in the day. Because I mean, as out the gate as IRL streamers are these days, I'd say they're the original IRL entertainers, eh? Thank you, Jackie Poo, for the roses. Kai with the fist pop and the heart as well. Was used for nautical battles too. Far out, true. Yeah, I don't know too much history about bloody the Colosseum, eh? Yo, Kistari. Oh, wait, how do I say your name? Sorry. Cassatria, thank you very much for the votes too. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I actually don't know when voting closes, like at all. I just know, you know, I've got a carving to finish. This is something we gotta get done. Key, thank you very much for thank you for all the gifties, man, and also Jackie Poo as well over here. I can see. Just having a break. I think this evening too will I'll draw up. Make sure. I'll make sure I draw up this tiki so we can start designing it. I need to start designing this bloody thing so we can finish it. What am my brother doing today? Just pretty much doing the last bits of cleaning on this tiki. That's about it. Yeah. Nothing too crazy happening today. I just gotta make sure I get down to designing this so we can get it ready for carving. So just that there. We go to those watching on the other platforms. Okay. The smell. Let's work on that. After months on end. Oh, true, bro. I want to do a pukaya next year. I haven't done one of those in a long time too. Got any plans for Christmas? So Christmas morning, my bro. Just gonna be spending the morning half of Christmas with my mum. Because my mum hasn't had a Christmas wake up with the girls or with the kids in a while. And then we're going to go over to the in-laws, my bro. How many platforms are you streaming on? So Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok today. Oh, so those are the usuals. Yeah, once again, I just want to say sorry if my voice sounds a bit shoddy as well. I had a couple of practice all day yesterday, and there was a lot of singing. A lot of singing. And I'm just getting my body back into the groove of that again. Hey, what's up, Anthony? You're the goat. I appreciate you, my brother. If you win and get a trophy, you have to make... Haven't you got my money, bro? That'll make me look like shit on a global level. I don't want to do that. I haven't even, yeah. We'll wait, till we'll see. Because it's anyone's ball game right now in terms of who's going to win. For sure. Wood carving, something your family has done for generations. On my grandfather's side of the family, I am a 4th generation carver. On my grandmother's, I'm a 2nd. Okay, that side. I'm going to maneuver my way around this other side now. Very cool. I love to see hobbies crafts. So yeah, with Whakairo in general, it's actually something that our ancestors that have been doing for generations. In my culture, we didn't have a written language. It was all like face to face. Was the main way we did it. Like passed down through our elders and through wānanga or schools of learning. The other forms as well was this, Whakairo. The most renowned one that you probably see a lot of international teams do is the haka, but in the performing arts side of our culture, there's more than just the haka. Way more. We have a lot of songs within our culture. Just like any other indigenous race of the world. Be with you shortly. I'm just doing this. I usually go just have a break. Oh, yeah. machine marks over here. Chill guy activities. What's up, my brother? Who are you practicing with? Uncle Wits. Hope you win the category and streamer of the. Wait, what? I hope you win your category. Oh, and streamer on the stream awards. Yeah, we'll see what happens, brother. We shall see what happens, my bro. I voted for puzzles. Puzzles in my category that I'm in. So I'm not a weirdo and vote for myself. Extrix plays, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my friend. Loving the woodwork, thank you, Easy. Appreciate you, appreciate yours. Yeah, I didn't vote for myself because I don't know, there's something in zero with me doing that. Tell you who I did vote for though. Peanut in the VTuber category. Why? Because he hates the fact that he's in there. So I thought, you know, why not? My bungulator. Goop, goop, goop. Chorizo, thank you very much for the mana, my brother. Just saw his reaction to that, eh? How good, eh? What is that? What is that? I know what you did. So good, bro. He is entertaining as hell, man. Here we go. Hello, Chinese noodle dumpling. How are you, bro? Hope you're looking after yourself. Hope you're well in whatever part of the world you are. Evil demons. Back! Back, demon! And then when he gets him, he's like, yes! Fuck my ass vigorously! Bro, he's too funny, bro. How can you not like him? He is just there, bro. That's what I love about him, eh? He's out the gate, but he's entertaining at the same time. Cass, thank you for the roses. Kia ora. Yeah, let's, I really need to try and get this drawn up tonight so we're not mucking around. You sell your pieces? I do. I'm still unsure about this, selling this, because I'm getting a bit attached to it, eh? It's never happened to me before. Here's Peanut. I guess people who are allergic to peanuts would hate him. Even someone tried to take a stab at him. I bet your girlfriend's an Armin, and he's like, never trust a fucking Armin. Improvises with his jokes too, bro. It's so good. Bloody deserved, man. Where am I? With a level of unhinged as well. Fuck, some of his comments that he makes, eh? Where do you get your chisels? From a shop called Carbatic, my bro. Does he do 24/7 streams? So people have 24/7 channels where they might play, you know, some of their past broadcasts and everything. Yeah, so they have like 24/7 channels kind of thing going on. I don't have that. So sometimes they might finish stream and then they might just raid their own 24/7 channel. But yeah, I'm aware of them, like people that do them. But yeah, I'd rather not myself, to be honest. I'd be like, just go on the YouTube. If you haven't already, chat, feel free to go to my YouTube channel and follow. We are on the way to 500k. I have a challenge as well. If we hit 500k before the end of the year, I have to eat a 15 patty burger. If not, then hopefully we hit it before May. That's a goal I've given myself. I don't really set goals, eh? But I've really been enjoying YouTube a lot lately, and it's been fun. It's been really fun. Honestly, you're like the only channel I would like to keep on. Well, it's pretty nice watching you. Some carving. Oh, thank you, Envilius. Just sub there. Appreciate you, brother. What kind of wood is used for sculptures? So majority of the time, with the timber we use, or I use anyway, it's like native majority of the time. Native timber is what I like to use, but you know, I have used the odd pine. The odd pine here and there. The first big carvings I ever did on Twitch were made out of a pine as well, from a coffee table. And yeah, we smashed those out. Carbatic, C-A-R-B-A-T-E-C is how you spell it. There's one located here and in Melbourne. In terms of like the rest of the world, I don't know. Like, I guess hardware stores is where you could start too. Haven't been on for a while. Oh yeah. Makes sense. I thought that he was a cricket. Yeah, nah. But there is a lady that has been streaming every day since about 4 years. She's been streaming for 4 years straight. So she's currently got the record. I don't know if I forgot her name, but she might be live right now. What about Thanksgiving? We don't do Thanksgiving here. Every single day. Yeah, pretty much. She's been going. Oh, she's been consistently on for about 4 years. How long does a stream have to be to qualify? 4 years. She's been live for 4 years. She was discovered by Kai Sanat. Kai Sanat gave her flowers. So yeah, if you want to beat her record, start now. You mean 24/7 for 4 years? Yeah. I couldn't do that. I enjoy my time to myself too. I mean, if I could, I'd do longer streams. But yeah, I have responsibilities as a parent. Where are you, Visual Freestyles? Like, where in the world are you? I guess the best place to look would be hardware store. Majority of the time. Ever been to the Cape? Which one? Up north or the East Cape? Yeah, me though. Yeah, I'm a dad. I love being a dad, and I like going outside. If I had to stream consistently for 4 years, you damn well know we ain't gonna be inside. Yeah, like majority of the time I haven't been up there, my bro. Majority of the time when it comes to my kids, I don't like them being on the camera. Like, just for a couple seconds. Oh, Emily CC is her name. Thank you, Nicatude. Yeah, majority of the time I don't want them to be on the camera, but they might come through and just say hello. I don't mind baby, because her looks are going to change in the next couple months anyway. What are you going to get your kids for Christmas? They're pretty chill. Like, they don't really get into toys anymore. Like, they like playing with the toys they have. But they like knick-knacky art stuff. And makeup. I fucking hate it, man. But, I mean, I'm a girl dad, so I gotta understand. Yeah, so they want just like knick-knacky stuff. Yes, my second daughter, she'll probably love having king prawns for Christmas. She's been live 24/7 for 1,472 days. That's freaking crazy. And she's live now. That's absolutely crazy. Damn. Yeah, so if you want to try and beat her record, start now and hope she gets a power cut. Which I highly doubt. Yeah, for me, my Christmas present, I just want my wife to watch an hour of Burnt Peanut with me. That's about it. Who's been live for that long? Her name is Emily CC. She's the one that holds the record for the longest stream right now. So she's been live consistently for that long. Bro, it was random. Like, I had prawns one day, like, and then she ate it and she went, Papa, what's this? It was like a prawn twister. I went, oh, it's a prawn twister, want it? And then she's like, these are nice. And she's been into prawns ever since. Like, even when we had a birthday to go to at a restaurant, she saw the king prawn plate and she was like, there they are. And she like filled her plate up and then she goes, Dad, shall all of these? I was like, fuck's sake. You ever thought about teaching your kids how to carve wood? So the way I was taught was traditionally. And in traditional times, wahine weren't really allowed to carve because we carve a lot of our ancestors that have passed on. And with our wahine, they are very sacred to us and they are the polar opposite to Whakairo. So, in a sense, I know, we're in the modern times now where there are wahine that carve. But for me, because I was taught the traditional way, it sticks with me. But, I've got an open mind. If they want to try and just have a jam on the tools, they can. But when it comes to those moments where I might carve one of my ancestors, that's when I say, don't come anywhere near this place. Like, or anywhere near me, pretty much. Because, what in the bank account are you posting? Mainly because, I don't want them to be around any of that. Just for their own safety. Bro, what in the number are you posting? Get out of here, man. Yeah, so obviously with modernization, we're in a more modern time now where there are wahine that carve. But for my kids, they know every single design, every tribal style. They're just not that interested in it. I mean, the girls. But my nephew, I've been teaching my nephew though. Love that. My sister says a massive into streams in her spare time. Oh, she's got a farm? Bro, that's one thing I'd love too, is a lifestyle block, bro. I'll just check the streams up on the spear monitor to watch it. True, true. Good old farm. But if I could have a lifestyle block, I think the main thing that I'd want on it is fruit trees. Fruit trees and garden towers. That's something I want to invest in on the day we get a house, is garden towers. Lomo lady doing moko? Yeah, heaps, bro. Yeah, mean. Like, you know, you got Ting, Anikaro as well. They all mean. My daughter sounds like a pigeon. One of her sounds she does is ooh, ooh. Or she'll go papa, papa, papa. Messing with tapu bring bad spirits. In a sense, you know. That's why I don't really muck around with that kind of stuff. I don't fuck around when it comes to that kind of stuff. I take it very seriously. You in Auckland? Hell no. Fuck that place. I live in Rotorua. I'd never live in a busy city, eh? Yuck. Do you still jam? What do you mean? Like games? Yeah, no, I can't stand busy cities, bro. It's not my style. So I don't mind being in Rotorua. Like, my family's here. I have whakapapa here, but it's like slow and chill. Games, yeah. No, I'll never stop playing games. It's mainly in my free time, though. Getting back into WoW. Found you a few days ago. Love your content. Hey, welcome through, brother. Hey, if you have any questions too, my bro, feel free to ask. It's all good. Haven't seen you in ages. Glad to see you're still doing it. Hey, thank you. Good to see you again as well. Hope you're looking after yourself too. Can't wait to come back home to Rotorua. Cheer. Okay. My phone is getting flat. I can smell kumara. Must be for the baby. Have I seen you before, my bro, on this one video? Cosma, probably. Probably, my bro. I still have long hair, it's just tied up. I've seen you before. Are you new to TikTok? I've been on TikTok for a wee bit. I don't know how to figure out what year and how many days, but yeah, for a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how to find those things, eh? Yeah, my TikTok's all over the place at the moment. Like, sometimes I get people come in, sometimes I won't. But I just leave the video up anyway. Thank you, Cosma. What's up, Trey? This fella there sent that on your live video. Got sent. Yeah, so the guy that actually gifted those 5 subs is still a part of the stream today. Yeah. Definitely not on TikTok for 4 years straight. Oh, I don't know. I just made it and yeah, carried on. Any of you stuck in Auckland, get out. It's nice, even the stuff, no traffic. Best time of the year to visit NZ? Kind of depends what you want to see. If you want to come in summer, then now's the time to come over. Just know that you'll probably get sunburn in about 3 minutes because of the big hole over the country in the ozone layer. It's moved over to us for a couple of years now, and yeah, if you want to go purple in 2 minutes, then yeah. Or, you know, lobster. Whatever colour it may be. Been a while since I seen you. Hey, you baby boy. Too hot in summer, yeah. So, oh, you're in Iceland. Damn. I want to go. I want to go there too. Just finished seasoning the barbecue and cook some stuff. Oh, bro. Bro, we still gotta get a Christmas tree, bro, and a barbecue, eh? We need a barbecue as well, bro, so we can stop cooking inside. Be much better not cooking out inside so it's not so hot. Okay, TikTok. Unfortunately, it's that time of the day where my phone gets flat. I'm gonna have to finish up our TikTok stream here. For now, thank you very much, TikTok, for enjoying the stream. If you haven't followed any of the other platforms, we're on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. Make sure you go through and follow the YouTube channel as well. Try and get 1 subscriber a day. And I'm on Instagram majority of the time from the socials too. Not so much Twitter. Twitter's too lovely for me. But yeah, for now, TikTok, have a good day. I'm sorry my phone is getting flat. And I'll see yous around, eh? Kakite. Thank you very much, crocodile emoji. Thank you, my bro. And I'll see yous later, eh? Kakits. Okay. No barbecue with the head. What? No barbecue. Been loving the barbecue steaks recently. Had the scotch last night. Ooh. No barbecue. Hand in your passport. Bro, I have a charcoal cookie. Oh, bro, those charcoal ones are pretty on point, eh? Oh, Dakota Kai's live. Hey, one of the mods is live. Okay, that is gonna be us for today. I don't know if the bro can hear me, but one of my mods, he's a good dude too. He's a game developer as well. He's just begun streaming, so I wanna send yous over to my boy. Mahalo. So he's currently playing One Piece Gold Rush. Now, this dude is a good person. So if anyone can spam ones in the Twitch chat, please. Just spam one so I know who's all here. And I know people are listening. Please spam ones, please, so I can see who's all here. So he's a really good dude, like really good dude, and me and him have had conversations off stream as well, just to kind of like check-ups, just to see how he is. So he's who I'm gonna raid today. So he's still learning how to stream, but please, by all means, go through. Please, 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 if you can, give him a follow. This dickhead better not finish if he can hear me. I don't think he can hear me, okay? I don't think he can hear me. So his name is just Mace _ just MASE _ for YouTube and Kick. If you can go through and give him a follow. And he's from Hawaii and the UK. So he's what we would call a fruit salad. So please have a good day, whānau. There's 11 in the chat at the moment. Okay, we'll probably raid someone on Kick too. Thank you very much for joining us today, and I want to say much appreciation for the aroha today. Yeah, so if you're a half caste, you're probably called a fruit salad. Polynesian and something else, okay? If you're not Polynesian and you're half and half, then you'll probably be a Caesar salad. Why? So I like Caesar salad. It's yum. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Please go through. Show my boy some love. There's our daily aeroplane. Loud bastard. And I'll see you later, eh? Appreciate you all. If we go live tonight too, reading. Okay? Have a good day. Takite. Please follow him as well, whānau.